Hey everybody, this is Keegin with Smokin Gun Worx. Got another cleaning video for you guys. This is a Ruger SR22 22 caliber semi-automatic handgun. We're going to take it apart and clean it for you guys today, show you how to do it. And as always, for these videos, we're using Pro Shot cleaning kits. This is a 22-45 multi-pistol kit. We sell a wide variety of Pro Shot cleaning kits and other standalone products here at Smokin Gun Worx. Come and check us out. So to go ahead and get started, we're going to make sure the gun is clear and safe. We're going to remove our magazine, open the slide, check and make sure there's nothing in the chamber. Close the slide up. To begin disassembly, we're going to rotate our disassembly notch located right in front of the trigger down 90 degrees. With the magazine still removed, we're going to pull the slide clear to the back, slightly up, and off the front. A lot of 22s have a fixed barrel, so the barrel doesn't actually get removed with the slide assembly. It removes separately. It's more permanently fixed to the frame. For today, we're not going to remove it. We don't need to. With our slide assembly and our recoil spring and guide rod out, we can go ahead and begin cleaning our slide. I'm going to go ahead with our double-ended brush and some CLP and scrub the breech face up and around and underneath the extractor, underneath the entire breech, back in the firing pin recess where the hammer strikes. Go ahead and clean your slide serrations out on the outside of the slide. That's more for aesthetic purposes. And of course inside the slide rails. 22 pistols of this design usually have really short slide rails, so there's not a lot to clean there. And when we get that all cleaned up and scrubbed, we can wipe away our excess with our rag. After that, we can go ahead and verify that our firing pin stop is free to move. Our extractor is free to move. And after some inspection, we can go ahead and set that aside and move on to the frame. For the recoil spring and guide rod, not a lot of cleaning that needs to be done, but we can go ahead and wipe that off and just inspect it for unusual wear, premature wear, or damage. And moving on to the frame of the firearm, or the rest of it, we can start with our barrel. Go ahead and attach my 22 caliber brush to our Pro Shot cleaning rod. Put some CLP on it, scrub that a handful of times. We can move over to our jag with a patch, clean some of that out. You can repeat these two steps back and forth as many times as necessary. For ideal results, you want to get a clean white patch out of the end of the barrel when you're done. That just verifies that there is no leftover grime or oil or anything like that, or fouling. And of course, down in our fire control area where our sear and our hammer, all that stuff is, our disconnector, we want to scrub all around that. Our slide rails, of course. Take a close look at your ejector, make sure it's not bent, damaged, broken, anything like that. And after we clean all that up and wipe away our excess CLP and grime and dirt, and again after a quick inspection, we can start to reassemble this firearm. Starting with our frame, we're going to insert our recoil guide rod and spring assembly, open end of the spring towards the muzzle. Paying close attention to the open end of that spring, we're going to want to line that up with the slide, the smaller port underneath the barrel, and start to slide over the barrel, and then down rearwards over the hammer and the back of the slide rails. We can go ahead and slide it back forward, snap our disassembly lever shut, and we're good to function test our clean firearm. Again, this is Keegin, the gunsmith at Smokin Gun Worx. Like and subscribe to our YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, and check us out at smokingunworx.com, or give us a call at 815-938-3006.
8785 North Baileyville Road, Forreston, Illinois.